What's good? What's good? What's good about good mornings? Me no giga jabe. Me no giga jabe. Good morning. Why don't you sit down and have some coffee? Have a little of the old muckety mushkiki waboo. I got my Paul Stanley cup. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, whoa, 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 woohoo! The best part of waking up. I think Paul Stanley needs to do another Folgers commercial. And where he does that, he takes a sip of coffee, and then he's all like jacked to do a concert. Oh, whoa, 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 woohoo! My heater's broke. What, you wanted me to tell the story of the Three Little Pigs again? Nobody watched that one. I'm a storyteller. I gotta be entertaining. Not every story has a moral. Yeah, especially not the Three Little Pigs. Yesterday I told the story of the Three Little Pigs and nobody understood it. Least of all me. All right. I'm gonna go back, you guys. Yeah, I gotta do a live stream at the studio. All right. Yeah, sure. I'll see you again. Gigawaba bin. Minowa. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO. Hey, sweetie. Well, hi, NANABOOZHOO. You ready to come in? Yeah, can you pick me up? You got it. And let's see, that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Welcome home, sweetheart. Oh, hi. How was it outside? Hey, not bad. Did you tell a story? I told the Breakfast Club story. Oh, awesome. You didn't have any photos, though, did you? Nope. Okay. What's going on around here? Not much. Just having our coffee. Just having our muckety mushkiki waboo. Nah. Just having a little of the old muckety mushkiki waboo. Muckety mushkiki waboo. Niwe ayaha. Remember that time you did that one video? You mean the first video? Yeah. Want to watch it? I do. You want to see the first BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO video we ever did? This is embarrassing. Why is it embarrassing? It's so bad. It's not bad. It's wonderful. So this is, 6 years ago? The first ever BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast video. I think it's like 2 minutes long.
Okay then. Ani Nashinabe dog. NANABOOZHOO. Oh, take two. Take two. Sorry. I can do this. Alright. BOOZHOO Nashinabe dog.
I can do this.
NANABOOZHOO indigenous cause. Niman Waindam Noon Kum. Hello. My name is NANABOOZHOO. And I'm happy to be here today.
Let's
see, too. What do I want to say today? Okay, we're going to learn a new word, eh? You know what that word is?
No, tell us.
Coffee. That's right. We're going to learn the Ojibwe word for coffee. So, it's a big word, but it was the first word my grandpa ever taught me. So here it goes. Makare mashkiki wabu. That's right. Makare mashkiki wabu. Hard to say? Not at all. You can sing a song about it. Eh? All right, check this out. Makare mashkiki wabu. Makare mashkiki wabu. Niwi eya. Niwi eya. Makare mashkiki wabu. Makare mashkiki wabu. Niwi eya. Makare mashkiki wabu. Makare mashkiki wabu. Niwi eya.
I can't take it. What? That was great. That thing's got way more views than our videos get these days. Yeah, it's true. Should I talk about that dude? No, don't. You're going to hurt his feelings. Yeah, you're right. Anyway, good morning. Mino Gigajebe. Good morning. Coffee. Makare mashkiki wabu. Anyway, baby. Anywho. Anybody else calling in, sweetie? I don't think so. Oh, actually, yeah. It's, line 2, Keanu Reeves has been on hold. Oh, really? Keanu Reeves is on hold? Well, let's get him on the line. Minoki Go Shave, Keanu Reeves. Welcome to the show. Hey there, Natasha. How you doing? I'm doing great. How are you? Not too bad. Not too bad. Got up good and early, went for a run, then I went for a surf. I was surfing in the waves. The gnarly waves. Oh, that's cool. And then I came home and I made breakfast in bed for my girlfriend. And I made her some really hot, dark coffee. But then I don't want to tell you what happened. What happened? Hey, I put my pants! Hey, darling, I'm on a NANABOOZHOO podcast. I'll go clean you up in just a minute. Hi, Keanu Reeves' girlfriend. I put my pants! Yeah, I heard. The coffee is too dark. I can't drink coffee in the morning. Well, why don't you drink some tea? How do you say tea? And OJIBWE, sweetie. Well, we say Honey Beach. Honey Beach. I get some tea, but my poop's right down my leg. All right, dude. Little Natasha, I gotta go. I gotta clean up my girlfriend. She's all nasty, but I still love her. How do you say goodbye in Ojibwe? Well, we don't really say goodbye, Keanu. We say, I will see you again. Well, hey, how do you say that? I mean, Gigawaba Min, Minoa. Well, hey, Gigawaba Min, Minoa. I better get going. Hey, Gigawaba Min, Minoa. I put my pants. I gotta go. You know, it's not funny. It's just rude. It's just rude. I'm so sorry, you guys. You shouldn't have had to witness that. Anyway, something's going on with my stool, sweetie. Hey, there we go. All right. Now I can stand here or sit here. So, once I was a fool, dreaming my life away. But then yesterday I found you looking for me.